5 more tips for making money with affiliate marketing. Hey there, fellow online entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of affiliate marketing. Today, I'm super excited to share with you 5 more powerful tips that will help you make money with affiliate marketing. So, grab your notebooks and get ready to take your affiliate game to the next level. Tip 6. Diversify your income streams. In the world of affiliate marketing, it's important not to rely solely on one income stream. Diversify your efforts by exploring multiple affiliate programs, promoting various products within your niche, and even considering other monetization methods such as sponsored content or creating your own digital products. By diversifying your income streams, you can mitigate risks and maximize your earning potential. Tip 7. Stay updated with industry trends. Affiliate marketing is a dynamic industry that constantly evolves. Stay updated with the latest industry trends, changes in consumer behavior, and new product launches. Follow influential thought leaders, join relevant forums or communities, and attend industry events or webinars. By staying in the loop, you can adapt your strategies, leverage emerging opportunities, and stay ahead of the competition. Tip 8. Optimize your conversion funnel. Don't overlook the importance of optimizing your conversion funnel. A conversion funnel is the path your audience takes from discovering your content to making a purchase. Ensure your website or landing page is user-friendly, loads quickly, and has a clear call to action. Test different elements like headlines, copy, and placement of affiliate links to maximize your conversions and increase your earnings. Tip 9. Foster relationships with affiliate managers. Building strong relationships with affiliate managers can significantly boost your affiliate marketing success. Affiliate managers are there to support and assist you in your promotional efforts. Reach out to them, introduce yourself, and ask for guidance or promotional materials. By nurturing these relationships, you may gain access to exclusive offers, higher commission rates, and valuable insights that can give you an edge in the market. Tip 10. Continuously learn and adapt. Finally, never stop learning and adapting. The affiliate marketing landscape is constantly changing, and what worked yesterday may not work today. Stay curious, invest in your education, and be open to trying new strategies. Test, track, and analyze the performance of your campaigns to identify what works and what doesn't. By continuously learning and adapting, you can refine your approach, improve your results, and stay ahead in the competitive affiliate marketing space. And there you have it, my friends, 5 more powerful tips for making money with affiliate marketing. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, dedication, and consistent effort. So, implement these tips, stay committed to your goals, and watch your affiliate income soar. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future content. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing. We are looking forward to hearing your input in the comments below. Thanks for watching.